This is a wheel that has over 100 gardening tips and tricks for beginners and even advanced gardeners. It's something that I've created on my website, donotdisturbgardening.com, and it's from an article that I wrote, 100 plus basic gardening tips and tricks for beginners and advanced gardeners. You can find it on my website. We'll spin the wheel here and we're going to pick out a tip to talk about each day. So the first tip we see is number 90. Tums don't cure blossom end rot. This is a common gardening tip that you'll find out on forums and stuff. People, it's really not a proven fact. So we'll go over to donotdisturbgardening.com, my website, and you can click on the first article there is where you can find all these tips, and we'll be talking about each one. So we will use the find option in my browser on my phone and search for number 90, and that'll get us down to number 90 a little bit faster. And you'll see Tums don't cure blossom end rot. A lot of people talk about this and say they've put Tums in the holes of their plants when they're planting their transplants, and they've had good results, but it's not really a proven by science trick or anything like that. Most soils are not deficient in calcium. We'll talk about that in this reference that I've put on here. gardenmyths.com is a really good website that will share a lot of things about different myths that people pass around on the web. So most soils are not deficient in calcium. They have enough. It's usually a watering problem. So the only way that calcium can get up to the plant is through transfer of water. So it's normally a inconsistency in either too much water or not enough water. So you can check out those two links below, and check out my website, donotdisturbgardening.com. You can read all these, but I will be spinning that wheel hopefully every day on TikTok and sharing with you my thoughts on all the tips and stuff that I've encountered through my gardening experience throughout the years. Thanks.